Now that the foundation is built, the next step is planning for online marketing website. What? How are websites made? How do I plan a good one? Oh dear!
Hey girl, you don't have to worry about that. With our new book, How to Build a Website, you'll be able to build your own website as easy as a pie. The first step in building your website is planning a sitemap. It's a classification of the website pages and the content, indicating the main navigators, sub-navigators, and even further links. Then, you have to define your website components, like the logo, pictures and graphics, colors and fonts, call to actions, and most importantly, the simplicity and clarity of the design's layout to allow the eye to easily see what it seeks. Your sitemap is then visualized into a wireframe. Wireframes represent the outline framework, communicating the layout, structure, and navigations of your website content. It is usually represented in black and white to keep the focus on the content's placement rather than the visuals of the design. And a quick tip: to visualize the text placement in a wireframe, a filling text known as lorem ipsum is used instead of the real text. Your key elements to a successful website are serving, supporting, and selling. Your website should serve your users. Also, smart navigations between pages and clear architecture helps make your website more user-friendly and satisfying to your customers. Your website homepage is your front door that will make people go pleasantly where you want them to. Clearly communicating who you are, what you do, and whom you serve helps you attract the ideal visitors you are targeting. Last but not least, your website should have a privacy policy. It's a statement or legal document that reveals how the website uses, gathers, and manages the visitor's information, whether you have any tracking technologies and cookies, or any profit gains from the client's information to protect the user's privacy. And remember, the homepage success is built on the right planning and executing of the previous steps. And now, your website is ready to rock.